Good medical morning. This is Watson from World's Greatest Medical, and today I'd like to introduce you to Shigo fleas, better known in Kenya as the notorious Jigger. Also, stick around, as I'm going to show you what's living in this boy's ear at the end of the video. Popularized on YouTube by Jim Nitaruchi and the charity Rise Up Society, these tiny sand fleas are a serious problem to millions of people in Africa, especially Kenya. They're native to South America, but were brought over by European merchants accidentally sometime around the 1800s. The fleas thrive in sandy soil, where they bite their victims and burrow into their skin to lay eggs. We'll put a link below to the Rise Up Society fan page, and please subscribe to that channel. There's a lot of amazing footage straight from Kenya, with updates every week. Poor people in Kenya are extremely susceptible to this parasite. This is a direct result of a lack of clean water for bathing, lack of shoes, and sleeping on the ground at night. Here are some examples of extraction. Let's listen in.
This drunk driver, who had a stronger car, therefore was not even very much hurt, lay there speaking shit, nonsense of it, speaking nonsense. Drunk and had killed people. Children with jiggers are either delayed in education or they drop out. Some of course delay, and then when there is no intervention they finally drop out. And
Again, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications. Before I go, let me tell you a little bit about our favorite blackhead removal kit. Then we'll get back to that ear parasite we told you about earlier. Don't forget to check out our favorite blemish removal toolkit. This beautiful 7-piece set is available on Amazon and will fulfill all your popping needs. It has a lancet for big jobs, a spade for those hard-to-reach corners, the cone extractor for big jobs, and loops of various sizes. This kit has everything you need to start popping like a pro. Each one has been hand inspected for quality, and the case keeps them stylish and discreet. Don't be fooled by flimsy, low-end knockoffs. Pick up yours today by using the Amazon link below. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this parasite turns out to be a botfly larva, although it does resemble a couple of other different parasites. Not something you'd commonly find in an ear, but it can happen. There you go. Thanks for watching.